Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves in water. First, choose fresh, vibrant mint leaves, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Gently wash them under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, lightly bruise the leaves by clapping them between your hands or gently twisting them. This simple step helps release their refreshing essential oils, significantly enhancing the flavor of your water. Once your mint is prepared, add the bruised leaves directly to your water. For added convenience and easier cleanup, you might consider using a fruit infuser bottle, which keeps the leaves neatly contained. Allow the mint to infuse for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. The longer it steeps, the more pronounced and delightful the minty flavor will become in your drink. Mint water is wonderfully delicious on its own, but you can easily enhance its flavor with other ingredients. Try adding sliced cucumber for a spa-like, refreshing taste. Citrus fruits like lemon or lime wedges provide a bright, zesty kick. For a touch of natural sweetness, include berries such as strawberries or raspberries. These combinations create delightful and healthy beverages. To keep your mint water fresh and flavorful, store it in a sealed pitcher or bottle in the refrigerator. It's best enjoyed within 2 to 3 days to ensure optimal taste and quality. Serve your refreshing mint water chilled, perhaps with a few extra fresh mint sprigs as a beautiful garnish. Enjoy this simple, hydrating, and wonderfully flavorful drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.